Hello, my name is Moses Castico. Welcome to my channel, Castico Mo. And today we are going to talk about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Let's go. Welcome back. If it's your first time to watch this channel, to be in this channel will be teaching for those who want to make money online with their affiliate marketing business. So don't forget to subscribe down there and click that bell in order to see my future video. Okay, let's go. With a simple, clear definition, affiliate marketing is a process of earning commission by promoting someone else's product or service. You promoting someone else's product or service by using what we call affiliate link. This affiliate link you get from the company of that product or service. So when someone come and click that link and go ahead buy the product, you earn commission because you are the one who refer that guy or that person. Affiliate marketing is the most popular way people making money online, and some of them it can be a passive income. What's make so many people join affiliate marketing nowadays? Because you don't have to create the product, you don't have to create a service, and you don't have to be an expert. What you do is just promote that product by share that link to your friends, followers, your subscriber, and once they click that link will take you to the company website where there is a customer support, there is a delivery. So your job is just promote that link, and at the end you make commission. For example, in case of blogging, the blogger can become an affiliate with a selected company and start making money from being an affiliate by putting the link with the blog post, so that link will take the readers to the affiliate product or service. Let's say you are a food blogger and there is a company which sells a food processor. So what you do is just affiliate with that company, and you start to write all about that food processor, benefit of that food processor, the cost of that food processor, and at the end you put that link, and once people come and click that link and you go ahead and buy that food processor, you earn commission. So that is how it will work. This is how people make money with affiliate marketing. There are a lot of companies nowadays are using affiliate program. One of them is Amazon. Amazon is giant online retailer, so you can join for free and you start promoting the physical product. But the other one is eBay, also the big company with the affiliate program. So what you have to do is just choose your niche, and then find the company which has that product, which has a affiliate program. Then you start promoting it, and at the end you earn commission. So this is it. So if you want to learn more about the affiliate marketing and to start your business online and to be a super affiliate, don't worry. There is a link below which is a free training, and the free training which will help you to take you step by step to be a super affiliate. So go and click that link. So for being said that, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and see you next time for the next video. Bye.